Hello viewers, and for you today I thought I'd make a quick little video about how I label the coins in my collection once they're in a coin flip. So this is a Nepal 10 paisa coin from 1971. It's FAO, and I'm going to be labeling this today. And what I have is these sheets. They're 11.5 by 8.5 sheets of sticker material that I put through my computer printer, and I have pre-printed names of country, years, and denominations. Let's see what else it has. It has Nepal, and it has a 1971 left I can cut out and use. So this is how I do it. It is very time consuming, but it looks really nice. So I might not do this for all coins, just ones I feel are more valuable or are rare coins in my collection. Just trying to separate the backing from the sticker itself. Okay. There we go. So it's on the tip of my X-Acto knife. Put it down there. There we go. The country's on there now. Now I do have a 1971, which is the year, which I have to cut out. I didn't cut it all the way. Okay. There we go. $1971. Now I've got to go to another sheet where I have the paisa. Now I don't have one that says 10 paisa printed out, so I'll have to put it together. Let's see, 10 there. So we got number 10. We come away from the backing. There we go. It's kind of small, so it's hard to work with. That's why I put it on the tip of my X-Acto knife. So we got 10 there. And I just have to cut out the paisa. Thought I had scored one already. There it is. Well, I didn't get that exactly perfectly, but looks pretty good. we go. Nepal 10 Paisa. Now I'm going to go on the back and write down the information that I put on the back, which is the value of the coin and the grade. So now I'm going to put the information on the back that I'm going to record. And the value of this coin is about $1. And grade that at XF. So there you have it. Coin is labeled and graded. Well, I hope this gave you some good information and maybe a way to label your coins as well. So let me know if you like this method down in the comments below. And thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.